Hi guys, so this video is going to be really quick, really random. Just want to give you some alerts. So if I have any links in the description box, they will be affiliate links, which means I will make a small commission if you use those links. And thank you so much. One of my subscribers is like, the box is up, because I was even looking yesterday on HSN to see, you know, what's released yet or what's available so far. So Diamond Press, they released their items a couple days ago. Anna Griffin, yesterday I picked up the birthday cake pop-up. I like her pop-up cards. I didn't get the poinsettia one because it was kind of similar to what I had from Diamond Press, even though they're different things. But I was like, okay, I have too many poinsettias, but that might still be available. But I know she has the pop-up cake, and it is so cute, like a layered cake, and it looks pretty simple to use, so I don't know, we'll see. I reordered mine, so I'll have the links for that. But what you guys want to know is the Anna Griffin Finishing School Holiday Open House Craft Box is available. It is $49.99, I believe, or $49.95, and it's the one that makes the open house that I had reviewed, and you guys were so bummed out because some people skipped it and some people just never had signed up for the finishing school, so they were never able to get it. Sorry, I got tongue-tied there. So this is available. I would say, you know, I never tell you guys to do this or that, but I know it's going to be one that probably will sell out because just the interest I saw in here when I had reviewed it, people were going crazy for it. So it is available. And then later today, keep an eye out for my little review of the Diamond Press Haunted House. It's so cute. I made a dimensional card like this. So check that out. I will probably have a delivery from Impressions Obsessions today, so that video will also be out. So there's going to be quite a few videos, but this is just a quick one to let you know to go get your house kit if you are curious or wanted it to begin with. Again, and you know, Crafter's Companion always says this on HSN, if the price drops the next, you know, week or even 2 weeks or however far out, I mean, not too far out, they'll adjust it for you. So let's say you buy it today and then tomorrow on craft day it's $5 off or something. You can just let them know and they'll adjust that $5. So I would say, you know, go get it. I think it's the first time I ever really said that. Spellbinders put out a bunch of their new Christmas and holiday things, including the little die set that will go along with the little house like this. So if you have this little guy, they did put out the little haunted house stuff that goes with it, basically like cat and tree and all these kind of fun things. And they also have the Sunday drive, along with the little like monsters and not monsters, what is it? It's like Halloween things that go in it, or the Christmas ones that I totally missed out on Craft Stash because their site kept crashing and I was trying to get it. By the time I was able to get into my cart towards midnight, it had sold out. So I had to take it out of my cart, and that was another thing. They make you take it out of the cart. It's like, if it's gone, it's gone. So then another glitch because they were having issues. So I had to call Craft Stash this morning, actually, because some things were duplicates. So I finally got in my cart. I was like, just go, let's do this, you know? And I was like, oh no. And then I thought, well, whatever. If it got delivered, I'm sure I could sell it in my store envy or do something with it. But I called them, and they had already taken care of because I had emailed over the weekend. They're closed, so they don't do anything until Monday. I called them at 1 o'clock in the morning, my time, because I was like, can I get this taken care of, you know, without having to just kind of mess around with it? I'd rather just be taken care of. And then she looked and she's like, oh, they already took care of it. And so that was cool. I called right to the UK and their phone number that they have on Craft Stash there. So they had already taken care of it, which was great. So I'm like, that's great service. And she, you know, it was awesome. So that was really good. Too bad their site was acting funny with that big sale they had over the weekend. What else? Oh, and Tonic also put out their new White Wonderland collection. It looks very pretty. I haven't decided if I'm going to pick it up or not, but you can check it out. It's a lot of icy colors like blues and silvers and, you know, just a bunch of stuff that coordinates with it, with the drops and the mousses and all that kind of stuff, and the papers, and then no dyes. It's mostly basically just those items, you know what I'm saying, like what you would create for a scrapbook or a card or those kind of things. So you can check that out. I'll have all the different links in the description box. I think that's all I have for right now. All right, guys, I hope you're doing well and staying out of the heat, staying out of the bad weather we've been having, and feeling well. So I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.